Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers, and on this day in 1964, Mary Poppins had its wide release in theaters after holding its LA premiere on August 27th. Quickly becoming a worldwide classic, the film earned acclaim from both critics and audience. It was the #1 box office in 1965, beating The Sound of Music, Goldfinger, and My Fair Lady. Mary Poppins is still the most Oscar-recognized Disney film in history, with 13 nominations and 5 wins. It is preserved in the Library of Congress, and it's hard to believe that it's 60 years old. Pretty awesome, isn't it? It's one of my favorites. How about you? Anyway, have a magical day!